Welcome my lovely students. This is the second video of chapter 43 and today we are going to discuss 8 more inspirational personalities. Okay. So first we are going to discuss Satyendra Singh. He is an acclaimed doctor. When he was only 9 years old, he crippled with the polio. But still, he completed his medical education, and become a doctor. He has also founded the group which is known as Infinite Ability, and here the different type of disabilities are studied. He has also started so many poll booths, ATM machines, and post offices so that the disabled person can access all the activities without any difficulty. Next, we are going to discuss about the Sai Prasad Vishwanathan. In 2008, he became very famous when he became the first disabled Indian for skydiving. And what was the height for skydiving? It was 14,000 feet. Okay, and that time he was recorded in the Limca book of record. Okay, that's why he is very famous. His lower body is paralyzed, but still there is no lack of courage. Next, we are going to discuss about the Rajendra Singh Rahelu. As you can see, he is a weight lifter. Okay, what it means? This is the different weight which is used to lift in the different category. Okay, different category means different weight. So he has also won the bronze medal in 2004 when in the category of 56 kgs. Okay, and in after 4 years, that means in the next Paralympic, he has represented India, and he has also participated in that, which was held in Beijing. So he is a power lifter, although he is also having the polio. Next is Arunima Sinha. Arunima Sinha is a very courageous and a very energetic woman. We can say she is a volleyball player and a mountaineer also. In 2011, when she was about to go somewhere, we can say, she was pushed in front of the train by some of the robbers, and in that accident the half of the leg was removed, and this is known as amputation. Yes, amputation is the treatment in which the leg is cut or leg is removed completely to protect from the spreading of infection in the whole body. That's why the doctor removed the leg. But it was the dream of Arunima to climb the highest mountain in each and every country. But after that accident, okay, she has not stopped doing that. The willpower is very much, and that's why she continued with that, and she has climbed so many mountains, including the Mount Everest. She is a first woman with the amputation leg. What is the meaning of amputation? She was not having half of the leg. Amputation leg, you can see the picture what it is known. Okay, instead of the leg, she is having like this artificial leg, and with that leg only she has climbed so many mountains. Isn't it is a great thing? Next, we are going to discuss about the Dr. Suresh Advani. Suresh Advani is a pioneered hematopoietic stem cell transplantation. Transplantation is related to the cancer treatment. Okay, and he was the first person. Pioneered means first person to start that. So he was the first person to start the bone marrow transplantation and the cell transplantation, and from which research center he has learned this medical treatment? From the Hutchinson Cancer, which is situated in Washington DC. Next, we are going to discuss about the Javed Abidi. Javed Abidi is a social activist. Okay, he is a journalist also, and he has done so many activities for the employment of the disabled person. You all are knowing disabled persons are facing so many problems. In the previous video we had discussed they had not got the job only because of their disability. So he used to fight for the disabled person for their right. Okay, so he is a great social activist. Next, we are going to discuss is Milathi Krishna Murthy Holla. Okay, she is a para athlete. That means she is having the capability to run or to jump or having the different she is knowing different sport activities. She has also awarded with the Arjuna Award and the Padma Shri. She was born on 6 July 1968 in a very small family, and there were 4 children, and she was one of them. Okay, so she was from the poor family, but still she has set a great example and a great example. Last, we are going to discuss about the Sudha Dhan, who is a very beautiful painter. She is having the brittle bone disease also. What is this disease? Brittle bone disease, that means the bone is very weak. Okay, and she is not able to hear also. When she was only 12 years old, she lost the hearing power, but she is a great painter. Okay, she has won a national award for painting also. So till here in this video, I hope you all will learn this chapter very nicely. Thank you so much for watching.